In this last part of the exercise, let's talk about how Microsoft Graph Explorer can help you as you're consuming Microsoft Graph in your apps. So we've already seen how you can come in and run queries for getting your profile, for getting trending items around you, and even sending messages to Teams channels, but you can do a lot more. Once you've logged in and you've made a request and consented, you can get an access token, and this access token could be copy and pasted and temporarily used for applications that need to make calls. Now, it's not something I'm normally going to copy and paste every day. Typically, as you're going to see a little later, you're going to write code that'll do this, but this provides an easy way to get an access token if you need it. Now, you can also get code snippets. Here's an example for using Microsoft Graph with the C# SDK, or maybe I want to use JavaScript or Java. We can do all that right here, copy and paste that code, and it helps us get started. Now, I also want to point out that there's a getting started at the top that'll let you drill into your chosen framework or language as well. Now, we can also go into Toolkit components, and this is Microsoft Graph Toolkit. This provides a really easy way, for instance, in a React app or really any app that can use web components, to embed information from Microsoft Graph. Here I'm showing a user card for a profile, or I could add login, logout functionality so that we can make these graph calls. All of that can be done with this toolkit. And then if you're writing things like bots, maybe you have a bot for Teams or something like that, you can actually use this for adaptive cards. And this will make it where we can actually have a card that shows up for your bot, and you could then use that card and the code it would eventually show here. So whether you're doing Microsoft Graph Toolkit or you just want some code snippets to get started, this will point you in the right direction. And then, of course, you can go up to the getting started to get additional details, or you can go to the actual Microsoft Graph docs that you see here.